Hey love, so today we're going to do a makeup tutorial. I already have my foundation on. Currently testing out the new foundation from Shanshortcakebeauty AOA Studio. It's $1.88. If this video is already up, I will link it down below. If not, subscribe so you don't miss it. But we are going to do the cheek products, the lip product, and the eyes. Alright, so you probably already know what this looks like from the thumbnail and from the beginning of this video, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. And if you're a returning subscriber, make sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload, because I have been uploading bonus videos 1 to 2 times a week. So just make sure you don't miss any uploads, hit the bell. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so today we are going to check out some Dose of Colors palettes as well. I will definitely swatch some of them at the end of this tutorial, but I think I know which one I want to use already. But let's do our face makeup, like our contour and stuff first. I've been enjoying doing that first lately. I've been trying to use different contours lately, and I just keep going back to this palette because I feel like my contour and my bronzer just looks so much better to me personally when I use this palette. So we're going to use it even though she looks tragic and I definitely need a new one. This is the Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro palette. I'm just going to mix these two right there. Honestly, I'll use any of them in here. There's just something about Revolution contours that my face loves. The Santi Blush 7 brush. I'm gonna try not to go too heavy-handed, but you know, I got a heavy hand. I know you guys aren't shocked. I'm gonna use Ravish. This blush is from Shanshortcakebeauty AOA Studio. It's $1. It's beautiful. I love it in the fall. I was gonna say I love it in the fall, but I love it year round. I feel like it just goes so well with everything. Just like a nice kind of corally, peachy pink goodness on the cheeks. Okay, we're gonna use the AOA Powlighter in Astro. I always apply it with their highlight brush. This is the F19 by AOA Studio. I've just been using the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. I don't love this as like a setting spray. I'm just like married to the Urban Decay All Nighter. So I just use what's on the cap, and I always, this one is so intense that I make sure to like put a little there, put a little on my nose, and then put a little on this cheek, and then go back and blend it, because you really only need that much. And look how blindingly glowy this is. I feel like it's gonna last me for forever. I love an intense glow. If you don't love an intense glow, this is probably not the highlight for you. But if you do, ooh, that's a dewy mustache, girl. Besides using all of these new palettes from Dose of Colors that I've just acquired, thank you so much Dose of Colors for sending them over. I also really want to use this Garnet lip color from City Beauty. This is their City Lips Matte. These are my absolute favorite right now. They are pricey. I will leave links down below to everything, of course, as always, but I love them. I love them so much. I have 3 of them, 3 of the mattes, and they are absolutely beautiful. I do feel like my lips look plumper. I also feel like it really smooths my lips, so I will overline a little bit and then put them on, and I just feel like I'm a bad bee or something with these lip products on. So I'm really excited to try this one. I have not tried Garnet on my lips yet, so this is kind of the focus of the tutorial today. We're going to do kind of minimal fall look on the eyes, and then pulling out that lip, you know? So they sent all of these. Okay, this is the Hidden Treasures palette. I'm thinking a little bit more matte today, so I'm not sure I'll use this one, but this is absolutely beautiful. Definitely going to be good for fall. I mean, I could definitely use this one if I want to, but I think I'm eyeing the Sienna's palette, so I'll keep going and show you all of these. So this is the Snow Angels. They come with a little brush too, which is nice. Pretty cool. I don't really reach for cools that often, but always excited to have them. I feel like it pushes me out of my comfort zone. Next we have the Baked Browns. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I'm gonna try not to drop that brush. Oh, so pretty. And we have Marvelous Mauves. This foundation looks good. I can't get over it. Ooh. So that one is Marvelous Mauves. Blushing Berries. This is the one I've heard the most about. People seem to really, really love this one. She looks cute. Oh, girl. Okay, if we weren't doing such a bright red lip, I would 100% be using these. They are beautiful. That middle shade, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Oh, she's beautiful. Oof. So far, this one's my favorite. I get it, guys. Okay, and then this is Sassy Sienna's, which I might love. Oh, she's so pretty. She's orangey. Yeah, we're gonna use her, I think. I think we're gonna at least start with this one and go from there. Pretty. I think we're just gonna go with the center shade to start with. I don't know how pigmented it's gonna be, so I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna go, I feel like it's, yeah, it's pretty pigmented. That's a lot of pigment upon first application, so far so good. I'm gonna take the little brush it comes with. I'm just going to put that same shade under here. It's pretty flimsy, but it definitely gets the job done. I think I'm just gonna use the shade right next to it, this guy right here. And we might use a tiny bit of this in the outer corner, but I'm just gonna take this little tiny brush. This is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 17 blender. It's just this little tiny buffer blender brush. And I'm just going to focus that like right on the crease, like above the crease, because my lids are so small. When I go in the crease, I usually focus on the upper part of the crease, trying not to get too much on the lid. And then I'll bring it on the outer V, just like a little bit lower than that last shade was. And now I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of this darkest shade with that same brush, and I'm just gonna tap that on the outer corner. Deepen this a little bit. You can definitely see the difference between this eye and that eye with just that tiny bit of tapping. I'm gonna take just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna mix those two darker shades that we used on this same little brush. Just do, tap, tap. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer edge right out here. Oof, this might be darker than I meant to go for such a dramatic lip that we're gonna do, but hopefully with the wing and everything, it'll be okay. And then for the lid, I think I'm just gonna use my face powder. I guess we'll do a little bit of a cut crease just because I'm feeling a flair for the dramatic today. Not too much of one, but we're just gonna use this cut crease canvas from Revolution again and illustrate. Just take a tiny bit on the back of my hand. I think I'm just gonna actually use the pointy side of that one. And I just like to apply it along my lash line and then add a little extra and then look up. And that kind of gives me that line, so I know where to put my cut crease. Right, it's not perfect by any means. Now I'm just gonna take my fingertip and honestly just use this powder. This is the Visions Formula Mineral Correcting Powder in Translucent on my lid. I honestly often I use this as my lid shade all the time now because I've been wearing mostly matte eyes. I feel like I might do a pop of glitter underneath, but I think for right now I just want to keep the lid matte. It's just what I've been feeling. Can't explain it. Buff the edges of that. Again, I never really do super bold cut creases. I just like the lid to appear a little bit bigger. You know, I probably should highlight my brow bone. Again, just gonna use my face powder. Highlight the brow. Buff that. Okay, those shadows are beautiful. Definitely a fan so far. And I really like these tiny brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on a wing. I'm just gonna use the Visions Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black, my Ride or Die. Alright, now I'm just gonna take ooh, I got a hair hanging out. Crazy bangs. I'm just gonna take this black liner, it's just from Ulta in Onyx, and I'm just going to put a little bit on this outer corner. I always do this when I do a wing, just because I feel like it helps circumference the eye a little bit better. Alright, just a little. Just a little.
Help you with your career. Just a little.
These bangs looked so good, and I noticed that as time is going on, they're getting poofier and poofier. All right, I'm going to pop off for a minute and put on some lashes. I'm thinking the Shelby lashes. By the way, if you guys saw that last Shop Miss A haul where they sent me Shelby instead of Jackie, I emailed them. I got one of those automated responses that was like, hey, we'll contact you again in 24 to 48 hours. Nothing. nothing. So I just ordered more Jackies. So if the Jackies I just ordered show up and they are Shelby again, I'm gonna be popping into all their social media, girl. I need my Jackies. Like, hopefully Shelby will be cute. I think we've tried Shelby before because I did when they first dropped all of these. I tried them all. Let me see. I don't know if this is gonna be too much, how I'm gonna feel about it. She'll be okay. She's not Jackie. Sorry, Shelby. Love you, girl. But this is what Shelby looks like. She's pretty. She's cute. All right, I'm going to go pop those on and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. We have lashes. I'm so excited to do my lip, but I think we're gonna add a tiny bit of glitter on the lower lash line. I'm trying to decide. I think I want to put a inner corner highlight and then do glitter. Ooh, I feel like this lash is poking me. All right, I'm just going to use my favorite little Luxie brush. This is my absolute favorite for my inner corner highlight. This is the Luxie 341 mini round brush. I'll try and link this little set down below because I honestly love this little set so much. They're just like the gold glitter handles. Apparently I have a coupon code with them. I didn't even realize. I think it's 25% off, so I'll try and leave that down below for you guys. The Emogination and Revolution contour palette. I love this one as well. We're just going to use this white shade on the inner corner. The Ultra Contour Kit has an amazing white shade as well. I just live, if you're super fair, honestly, to get a really bright inner corner highlight, if I don't use a white, it just doesn't, it's got to be like the lightest of anything or mixed with a white. I feel like it's just not as highlighty. Like shades that normal people, I'll watch them on other tutorials, put in their inner corner. I put it in my inner corner, it actually darkens the area. I'm going to take it a little bit under here too. And then the only gold glitter liner that I can find right now, I know I have the Urban Decay one. This one I believe is discontinued from BH Cosmetics, but honestly, any gold glitter liner, so many brands have them. But I'm just gonna use this one because it's right there and it's easy. I'm sorry to use stuff, but I mean, it's such a generic product. You guys can use any products for this tutorial. You never have to use the exact same ones that I'm using. Okay, so really carefully, I'm gonna try. I don't want to put too much. It's going to be really hard to film, but I'm just putting it. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll try and tilt my head back a little bit. Ooh, all glitter liners kind of initially irritate my eye, I swear. Yeah, I'm going to really be able to see much of this. But hopefully you guys can see there's a tiny bit of glitter. We're going to move on to lips. I was so excited to find out. I was shopping with my best friend for her wedding lip, and she's doing a berry lip, and we discovered that Bichette from ColourPop is still around. It is still one of the ones that's on sale that you can go into Ulta and buy, so it's very excited because I love ColourPop lip liners, but I have so many that I haven't really purchased any new ones, so when I find one that I actually can use on camera that you guys can get, what do it makes. I always get really excited. So we're going to use Bichette. Mine looks tragic. Mine's from like the original launch of it. I'm just going to line my lips. I'm going to overline this one a little bit because the shape is different on this side of my lip than the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and put on the lipstick and then I'll carve out the line. This is City Lips Matte in Garnet. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Oh, so cute. It is a little bit tingly, but not bad. It just kind of feels like a peppermint tingle. But I think this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I am going to insert these swatches of all of the palettes just so you have those. So I will do that now. Alright, love, so I think that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share if you could, because it does help me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. We upload videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss those extra uploads. Alright, loves, I think that is everything. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Okay. That was a fail. Okay. And I always just kind of blend up. I have weather. I just breathed it in. Hella. Excuse me. Again, I'm sorry if you can hear my cats. Binks is just having a day of meow meows. Always trim your lashes. Never regret my Physicians Formula powder with all of my lash glue on the lid. That's necessity, right? Because your girl likes to be Rudolph. The red-nosed reindeer. The glowing nose reindeer. Yes, queen. Girl, why do it do? 10 years of me trying to fix my lip line. Wow. Always gotta check my teeth.